Hey everyone, it's still your Ongalicious next top chef. Today is the D-Day where the 4 selected contestants will be cooking their hearts out. The stage is set, the food market is ready, the kitchen is ready, and the contestants are super prepared. And our audience are ready to cheer their favorite contestants to glory. And don't forget, we'll be observing the COVID-19 protocol. My name is Ruby and I'll be your host for today. Stay hungry. We'll be right back. What are you expecting from this wonderful Ongalicious Top Chef cooking competition?
Please, I'm expecting something Ongalicious that I will fill my belly.
A very delicious and wonderful meal.
Ongalicious, nice food here.
Today we'll be having lots of fun, from the yellow carpet to the dancing competition to the eating competition, and of course our Ongalicious chef have prepared a very delicious meal for us. I can't wait to have a taste.
To our
Still here at the Ongalicious next top chef cooking competition, we can see that the competition is really nice. Everybody's having fun, the eating, the dancing, and every other fun things we'll be having. And as you can see, we have the winners, the first, the second, the third, and the fourth. And we have Diane as our top chef winner. And she'll be going to Lagos to compete with the remaining 10 contestants from other universities in Lagos. And let's hope that she also wins the competition.